No, when you get something like really flat, just whack it right on there.
That is what's whacked on.
No, you don't. It'll explode everywhere.
Feel the top of the thing. It sticks. It's gonna stick like that, and then.
Oh. Get in there, buddy. Okay, maybe now it doesn't matter if the bottom is.
Wow.
Danielle, can I borrow your straightener?
Where are you going?
The youth group and my hair is a little curly and it's not even working in a bun.
Okay. Just put it back when you're done. You would get that. Okay.
Just do it. Bam. Harold, you have to do
Harold,
it.
you have to do it. Here.
So you're doing right on there?
Yes.
Wait, I'm gonna restart the video, okay?
Okay.